Umicore is a global materials technology and recycling group. We have about 11,000 people.
Umicore is a manufacturer of materials. It has lots of experience and know-how in designing new materials based on the understanding of the application side. Our aims and goals is we want to provide best-in-class service and products, become a recognized player in the industry. This industry is very interesting because it is so rapidly changing. It has requirements of new chemistries that are needed to be able to do the advances in the technology.
We believe organometallic chemistry is one of the areas we do best. That's our core competency. And at the same time, what we discover is in the semiconductor industry, there's a huge need for advanced organometallic chemistry. So we think we find that match.
We have a collaborative approach with our customers or also with industries. We develop new materials, we propose new materials that lead to new technologies. And at the end of life of products, at the end of life, we also take care of recycling valuable metals. I'm talking about our Precursor manufacturing and scale-up facilities. They are located in Hanau in Germany. We have a big group of R&D here that is looking into process development. Another part is looking into precursors of the future. We have a pilot facility here in Hanau where we test our procedures. And we've recently, a couple of years ago, built our first world-scale trimethyl gallium plant. That's up and operational now for the past 3 years. And that's a very specific plant that we've designed based on our own proprietary know-how.
We have analytical labs directly on site with the highest level of certification, external certification. And we have state-of-the-art equipment for material characterization and also for trace metal analysis in the low ppb range. So Umicore has always been a major player in the cobalt industry, and it's a pioneer for sustainable cobalt sourcing. Umicore is the first company to establish a sustainable procurement framework, and it's the first company to obtain an external certification for the sustainable procurement of cobalt. So we are really the best company to work with to obtain so-called ethical cobalt materials.
The aim is to be able to demonstrate and to guarantee that none of the cobalt Umicore is using in its processes comes from any conflict sources. So conflict sources could be artisanal mining or the like. So we make sure, and this is also ensured and audited through third parties, that we track and trace every cobalt source that we have, that we regularly check on their sources, on the validity of the claims that they have, where it comes from.
Umicore has a dedicated team on the electronics business, which is collaborating with the customers and always eager to provide the best solution.
A lot of it is built around the chemistry. It's built also around a network of industry participants which we work with to look at what are the challenges to overcome in future, helping us to understand roadmaps, helping us also to design application tests, helping us to answer the questions that our customers will have, that the challenges they will face when they develop their applications. Everything related basically to the chemistry, the materials, that's where we can add value.